Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by securing the essential credentials needed to be credible. Get a bachelor's degree or document 5 years of hands-on operations experience, then earn OSHA and hazmat certifications. Once done, prioritize on-site supervisory work. You need to manage shifts and write incident reports. Make sure to record training hours and build a safety portfolio. This first phase creates your baseline competence and paper trail. So act now and accept frontline assignments that expose you to scheduling, equipment flow, and workforce challenges. Next, you construct the operational backbone. Implement KPI dashboards that show throughput, dwell time, and utilization percentages, and use them to drive daily decisions. Once dashboards run, standardize SOPs for loading, safety checks, and escalation paths so staff know exactly what to do. Simultaneously, cultivate cross-functional relationships with maintenance, customs, and logistics partners. They speed problem resolution. Make iterative improvements using data. When processes change, communicate clearly and train teams, because authority comes from consistent results and reliable systems. To finalize your promotion, prove value. Present measurable ROI, risk reduction, and capacity gains to leadership. Then take control of hiring, budgeting, and supplier contracts. Once enroll, establish regular audits, mentoring, and continuous improvement cycles to sustain performance. If problems arise, perform a rapid root cause analysis, implement a quick corrective cycle, and communicate outcomes to stakeholders. That single troubleshooting habit, diagnose fast, repair faster, prevents small failures from derailing operations and secures your reputation as a reliable terminal manager.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.